Introduction. Visual. Text on screen. Build a wordless website without domain and hosting. Voiceover. Optional. Learn how to create a simple website without a domain or hosting in just minutes. Part 1. What is a wordless website? Visual. Show examples of websites with minimal or no text, like portfolio sites or image galleries. On-screen text. A wordless website is a visual platform that communicates through images, icons, and design. Part 2. Tools you'll need. 1. Visual. List tools like 1. Free website builders, Wix, Canva, or Google Sites. 2. Local HTML preview tools like Visual Studio Code or Brackets. 3. Free cloud sharing, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. On-screen text. No hosting? No problem. We'll use free tools. Part 3. Building the website. 1. Step 1. Use Canva or Figma to design a one-page visual layout. Visual. Show dragging and dropping elements in Canva. On-screen text. Design a website visually. No coding required.